Hello and welcome to Make Explore Art. Now today I'll show you how to make a zine. The word zine is a shortened version of a fanzine, which in the 80s and 90s people used to make these in response to popular culture. So, let's get started. You'll need a sheet of A4 or A3 paper. It doesn't need to necessarily be white or plain, it can be anything patterned or coloured. First of all, you fold it in half. Make sure this fold is vertical. Now you'll fold horizontally. And for the last time, you'll fold again horizontally. Now open up your piece of paper and you should reveal that you have 8 different sections formed through creases. Find the crease that you first made on that fold and now cut into the centre of that cross. Make sure you stop where I am and then you can open this up. The fold you've already made will naturally want to crease in a certain way, so let it do that and you'll see that will just fold into place. And once you crease that again, you can just fold and then you'll see how your zine is formed. If you followed all those steps, you should now have a little booklet that has 4 pages. Now's your chance to fill it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Make Explore Art for more tips, tricks and tutorials, and see you next time.